G'day mate! The Sounds of Aussie. Diphthongs and Triphthongs in Australian English. G'day viewers! Welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we're headed down under as we dive deep into the fascinating world of Australian English. We'll focus specifically on diphthongs and triphthongs, those special combinations of vowel sounds that give Australian English its unique character. Let's start this journey together, no phonetic transcriptions needed. Before we jump into Aussie waters, let's clarify. Diphthongs and triphthongs are combinations of 2 and 3 vowel sounds respectively. They occur within the same syllable, and when pronounced, the sound shifts or glides from one vowel to another. This feature makes diphthongs and triphthongs stand out in the pronunciation game. Now onto the heart of the matter. Australian English has a unique take on diphthongs. For instance, the word like in Australian English often sounds closer to loika and day, more like die. Notice that shift in vowel sound? That's a diphthong in action. Triphthongs, as you may guess, are a bit more complex. They are composed of 3 vowel sounds in the same syllable. While not as common as diphthongs, they definitely leave their mark on Australian English pronunciation. Take, for example, the word fire. In Australian English, it often sounds like foia, showcasing a triphthong. As with any new language skills, practice is key. Try saying some common words with Australian diphthongs and triphthongs. Repeat, like, day, and fire, in your best Aussie accent. Remember, it's all about the glide from one vowel sound to another. That wraps up our excursion into diphthongs and triphthongs in Australian English. We hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have. Remember, these are not hard and fast rules, but rather observations that may help you understand and even mimic the Australian accent. Keep practicing, and you'll sound like a true blue Aussie before you know it. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Cheers, mate!